When it comes to 3D printing, the options can be overwhelming. Today, I'm diving into the top 5 best 3D printers that stand out in the market. Let's get right into it. First up, we have the Prusa i3MK 3S Plus. This printer has gained a cult following for good reason. It offers exceptional print quality, reliability, and a user-friendly experience. The magnetic bed makes removing prints a breeze, and the automatic bed leveling feature ensures that your prints stick perfectly every time. Plus, the open-source nature means you can tweak and upgrade it to your heart's content. For anyone serious about 3D printing, this is a top contender. Next on the list is the Creality Ender 3V2. This printer is a fantastic entry-level option that doesn't skimp on quality. It's affordable, easy to assemble, and has a large community for support. The Ender 3V2 comes with a glass bed for better adhesion and a quieter operation compared to its predecessor. It's perfect for hobbyists and those just starting out, offering a great balance of performance and price. And number 3, we have the Anycubic Photon Mono X. If you're interested in resin printing, this is the one to beat. The Photon Mono X delivers stunning detail and a large build volume, making it ideal for miniatures and intricate designs. The speed of printing is impressive, cutting down on the time it takes to produce high-quality models. Just keep in mind that resin printing requires a bit more post-processing, but the results are worth it. Coming in at number 4 is the Ultimaker S3. This printer is a bit of a splurge, but it's designed for professionals who need reliability and precision. The S3 is known for its dual extrusion capabilities, allowing you to print with multiple materials simultaneously. It has a fully enclosed build chamber, which helps maintain temperature stability, leading to better print quality. If you're in a business or need a printer for serious projects, the Ultimaker S3 is a solid investment. Finally, let's talk about the Formlabs Form 3. This is another resin printer, but it's aimed at those who want a high-end experience. The Form 3 uses low-force stereolithography, which reduces the forces on the model during printing, resulting in smoother surfaces and finer details. It's perfect for dental applications, jewelry, and prototypes. The user interface is intuitive, and the quality of prints is simply outstanding. So, there you have it, my top 5 best 3D printers. Each of these machines has its unique strengths, catering to different needs and budgets. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe.